Welcome. In this short tutorial, we will write a C# console program that prints the multiplication table for a user-entered number from 1 to 10. This exercise ties together reading input, converting types, simple arithmetic, and formatted console output, all essential building blocks. I'll show you the code, explain how it runs step by step, and we'll test it with an example number like 5. Let's get started. The program prompts the user to enter a number. It then multiplies the number by 1 through 10 and prints each line in a human-friendly format. This is a classic beginner exercise that helps you practice input passing and repeated arithmetic operations. We'll use simple console read line calls here. Later, you might refactor into a loop for brevity. The solution reads a number as a string, converts it into an integer with convert to int32, and computes each product explicitly, printing formatted lines. Each console write line uses placeholders such as 0, 1, and 2 to insert the number, multiplier, and result. For clarity and beginner readability, the sample prints each line separately. A loop is a natural next refactor. Execution starts in main. After passing x, the program computes and then prints x times each integer from 1 to 10. Each step is straightforward. Evaluate x times I, then write the formatted line into the console. If you expect many rows, a for loop would shorten the code and reduce duplication. With input 5, you'll see 10 lines from 5 times 1 is 5 up to 5 times 10 is 50. Try other numbers. Negative values will produce negative products, and 0 will produce a table of zeros. For very large inputs, watch for integer overflow, considering long for a larger safe range. Multiplication tables are classic teaching tools and are useful in small calculators. CLI utilities and scripts where you need a quick printed table of scale factors. This example is also a gentle way to introduce loops and formatting later on. To wrap up, you now know how to read a number from the console, compute its multiplication table, and print the results line by line. The sample uses explicit statements for clarity, but in real code, you'll usually replace those with a loop. Also, add input validation with int try pass to handle bad input. And consider larger types like long if you expect large numbers. Great job! Try refactoring to a loop and formatting the output neatly for a next step. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.